Hi, Autumn. So on numbers, sorry, this is funny because I've done this a couple times. So on numbers 2 through 5, um,
I
it
feel
looks like
like you should just go back and highlight what you're solving for.
Thanks. Okay, so when you are solving for equations, what I recommend is going through with a highlighter, reading the question, and highlighting what is the variable that you are solving for so that you know what equation you're looking for. It'll help you orient yourself. It'll help you know that you are solving for the right thing and you're using the right equation. So for number 2, you are solving for, it asks, what is the frequency? So we know we're solving for frequency, so we can go to the first page and we can find the equation for frequency. And so we want the answer to be frequency. So we want the V to be what the answer is equal to. So we know we have to take C over lambda, and I don't know how to do that symbol in here, so I'll just type it, equals the frequency. Okay. And then from there, you can solve this. So, um, okay, I don't want to use that. I want to go back to letters. How do I do that? Well, okay, so C is the speed of light. It's going to take me forever to write this. Speed of light. Wow. Okay. You can fast forward this while I'm writing it.
You
Speed of light. All right. And then your wavelength is given to you in the equation. So your wavelength, let me check and see what it was. It's really simple. It's 1 times 10 to the negative 10. So that's in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the speed of light, which on your front sheet, your equation sheet, it tells you it's 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. So you'll take that and you will divide it by the wavelength that it gives you in the problem. And then your answer will be your answer for number 2. All right. And then for number 3, it asks you to calculate the energy and it gives you the frequency. So you go back to the front page and you find out, okay, I know I want to end up with the energy at the end. And I have, let's see, did it give you the frequency? It did. It gave you the frequency. So you want to do for the second problem, you want to do E equals HV. H is a constant as well. It's Planck's constant. And then you're going to multiply it by V, which is the frequency that it gives you in the problem, to end up with your energy. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful to get you started. Again, I would highlight what you are calculating. Okay, and then it looks like you have a 2-step problem for number 4. Calculate the energy and the wavelength of a photon with a frequency of. So if it gives you the frequency, you should be able to calculate the energy having given the frequency, and then you can go back and you can calculate um, the wavelength after that. All right, and we can totally meet in person tomorrow if you'd like to go over this, and we can kind of try and go through these problems together if you need more support. But I hope that that is helpful for now, just to get you started.